Welcome to episode 16, Motivate Me Rahul. And as you've guessed, I'm Rahul. Today I'm going to share with you 5 ways by which you can improve your life today. And here goes. Number 1, let go of the past. To all the people who are hearing me through my channel, there are many incidents in our life till today, till about now, that we have made certain mistakes. Either we've made mistakes or we've been unfair to other people. We have to let go of them. It's very important. So try, it may be difficult, but if you've made a mistake, let it go. If you've hurt somebody, ask for their forgiveness and move on and try not to repeat again. That's number 1. Second, most important, and this is for people who are a little sensitive. I certainly am to a certain extent. Learn to forgive yourself. All good people also make mistakes at some times of their lives and they regret it. But that doesn't mean that that one mistake will define us or anything of the sort. In simple terms, you must try to forgive yourself. And it's a good practice. Once you have forgiven yourself, you will find your heart much lighter and you will be able to move on. So it's very important. Learn to forgive yourself. 3, help someone. And this comes from my personal experience. When you are depressed, when you are sad, if you have the ability, try and help someone. Now, when that could be anything. It could be helping a family member, a relative, a person that you don't know. Any person who needs some help. It doesn't have to be financial help. Very important. It has nothing to do with financial help. I've heard people, and I commend them for the work they do. Most of the people, they do some charity work. Now, depending on you, help someone. You will feel an immediate change that yes, was able to help someone, and that's a great feeling to have. So go ahead and do that. Number 4 is choose to be happy. So once you have decided that you want to be happy in your life, make an effort. There are always certain things that we as individuals enjoy that make us happy. So make yourself the focal point of making yourself happy. And that means taking part, entering, doing something that you enjoy. So do something which makes you happy. And number 5, and most important, I would say, go after your dreams. This is a reoccurring thing in all my videos. We have one life. We are limited by time. So go after your dreams. Very important. So there you have it. 5 things that you can do by which you can improve your life right now from today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share to my channel. It's wonderful to hear from you and I hope to see you soon again. Thanks very much.